Hello friends, I am Bhakti Chheda, founder and owner of Doodoo. Doodoo is owned by a company called S Global Acumen Private Limited. Doodoo means do unique, do unconventional. We always thought of doing something different, something unconventional, something good for the society. Doodoo is a result of our years of study of the market and the customer expectations. Doodoo is a selective marketplace that promotes healthy, organic, and natural wellness and lifestyle products. Doodoo facilitates branding, promotion, and sales of locally made products that meet international certification standards. These products are available at very affordable prices for the common man. So, let's join hands and come together and adopt wellness through organic and eco-friendly living. Please visit us on doodoostores.com and don't forget to give your valuable feedback. Thank you.
Let me wish you good success, and it's a very good initiative and something very different and unique, as your store name itself suggests that do unique and do something unconventional. It's a kind of very ethereal platform for this domain, because post pandemic, and this pandemic has created a very big opportunity for all of us. And India being a very vast country with diverse agroclimatic potential, we have plenty of opportunity to excel. And as you know, this market, Indian organic industry, mostly, it's in a very unorganized form. It's not so organized, right? So if you happen to see, recently, they are doing business to the tune of almost, 20,000 plus crore. And globally, we are doing business to the tune of around, 10,000 crore. Okay. But we have a potential to the tune of 50,000 crore domestically, and internationally to the tune of at least 25 to 30,000 crore. You can double, triple. So APEDA will give you a platform to excel in global perspective. We will associate with you. We will do good work. And this platform, through this platform, we can reach out to our stakeholders, especially needy farmers, because we should promote. Our Honorable Prime Minister very clearly stated he has a vision and mission to promote, all the organic product. So organic product, we have a lot of, positive perspective to do. And as you stated, under Honorable Prime Minister's vision of, Atmanirbhar Bharat, we have a major stake in the form of, promotion of all our organic products. So organic produce, the market is so huge. You can sell not necessarily anything, everything, but you can excel in such a manner that you get any good market for yourself. So after just seeing all your the product profile and all, you have a very big platform and a very good canvas. My only request is, please do cover some produce from these Himalayan states, starting from Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal, Uttarakhand to the entire Northeast belt. Northeast belt can be covered because you get a lot of unique product from that belt. So आप लोग entire Himalayan belt and Northeast के लिए भी cover कीजिए, and थोड़ा सा importance for this all the organic geographical indication product, GA product बोलते हैं ना, ये GA product के लिए आप लोग बने कोशिश कीजिए, because again it's a mission for our Honorable Prime Minister to promote all the GA product. So my request is for GA product promotion also, we have around 100 plus number of GA product. So we will help you guys, and we will try to reach out to the better stakeholders, better participants, better importers, buyers, sellers in the days to come. So APEDA is with you, and do well, do good work, and my best wishes to your team and all your other stakeholders who are participating, indirectly or directly with this team. And we will work together, and vocal for local is always there, and we will go for vocal for global also. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So let me again congratulate, and we are with you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
It is really great occasion that
you're doing great thing for unconventional Dudu. So I really wish you all the best, that it will serve humanity and it will take healthy India ahead. So I wish you all the best for your this new initiative for helping people.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Amazing work you're doing, Gautam Bhai and Bhakti Ji. I congratulate both of you on this great work that you're doing. From the time we've met, and thank you that we've nurtured our friendship. I really appreciate your vision, Gautam. I respect you as a professional. Your vision has been amazing. You have been working very sincerely, very assiduously, and with the clear-cut goal. I always believe that if you do not know to which port you're sailing, no winds are favorable. But with you, I have seen that you know your port and you also know how to reach there and achieve it. So great work you're doing. The work that you're doing, Gautam, today, and your wife is something which has impact to it. It is sustainable, and that's what the world needs today. There has been a huge disruption as far as the pandemic is concerned, and to bounce back, India needs people like you, entrepreneurs who think out of the box and are ready to work hard to deliver results and take the societies which are weaker, people who are sitting in the remote areas, they don't have any idea how to sell their products, not just in the country, but internationally, and that's what you have taken up. And I am with you with all my heart and soul, and I congratulate you once again. God bless you. I'm with you in this journey. All the best, Gautam. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, and my congratulations to you, Gautam and Bhakti, for creating such an amazing e-store. And I love the name, which is so catchy and unique, which is Dudu. आजकल एक नाम सोचना ही बहुत challenging हो जाता है, जो it is time consuming, and I know how much efforts you must have taken to think that unique name. So congratulations, and to your organization also. There are a lot of people now who are going back to the old methods and becoming organic. I have seen, in the last year where we have also shifted to a lot of organic things, kapli gehu, cold press oils, organic haldi, organic honey. Everybody wants to, go back to that kind of lifestyle. So I'm sure this is going to be accepted by a lot of people, and my best wishes to all of you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dudu Store, for providing certified organic moringa powder and moringa oil. I can assure you that Dudu Store is a wonderful store. Please visit them at www.dudustore.com.
Okay, thank you for inviting me. My name is Gordon Evans, all you gentlemen and ladies. I've got a design and building company, but I've also started a new company in Australia and have met Gautam, and we're hoping to do some very good business together, promoting the bamboo products and also the eco food products, which I'm very interested in, expanding it here in Australia and hopefully in the future throughout Latin America, where I will be residing part of the time. So it's good to meet all of you guys, and one day I hope we'll meet personally. Gautam, thank you so much again for welcoming me into your team, and my company really I really appreciate it, and I'm sure long term we'll be more than just business associates, but also I look forward to being a good mate, as we say in Australia, or a good friend.